Hi, my name is Sarah, a behavior analyst, and today we are talking about ABA, which is grounded in some key philosophical assumptions. So let's get into it. So, first up, we have determinism. So, this is the idea that behavior is not random, but it's influenced by identifiable and predictable variables. So, let's look at a practical example. So, imagine a teacher consults with a behavior analyst on a student with disruptive behavior. So, the analyst identifies that the student's disruptive behavior occurs whenever a worksheet is introduced. So, as a result, the student is removed from the class and now the behavior goes down. So, what exactly is going on here? So, this is an example of negative reinforcement because something is being taken away, which increases a behavior. So, this increases the disruptive behavior because they are being reinforced. So, in this case, the behavior is not random, right? It's predictable because we know if we give this child a worksheet, then the disruptive behavior will go up. So, by understanding and controlling these variables, like the antecedents and the consequences, the analyst can develop an effective intervention plan. So, next up, we have empiricism. So, empiricism emphasizes the importance of evidence derived from observation and measurement. So, imagine a behavior analyst is working with a child diagnosed with ADHD. The analyst uses empirical data like changes on task behavior to assess the intervention's effectiveness. So, this commitment to evidence based practice ensures the decisions are grounded in objective observations and not subjective judgments. So, next up, we have parsimony. So, this principle of parsimony suggests that the simplest explanation is often the best. So, take the case of a teenager who consistently arrives late to school. And this child has a history of watching video games and is on social media late at night. So instead of jumping to complex psychological explanations, the behavior analyst finds that staying up late on social media and just staying up late is the simplest and most direct cause. So this approach allows for more targeted interventions that are straightforward and effective. So next up, we have pragmatism. So this is all about practicality. So when the initial reward system for a teenager with ADHD doesn't yield the desired results, a behavior analyst takes a pragmatic approach. So by adapting the intervention based on real-time feedback, the analyst ensures that the strategies are not only practical but also effective in the real world. So finally, we have selectionism. So selectionism highlights how behavior is shaped by both genetic predispositions and environmental influences. So take the example of Michael Jordan, the famous basketball player. He's really tall, which gives him an advantage, which is the genetic predisposition, but also years of practice has allowed him to be the basketball player that he is today.